you hating, nigga?
You is not that nice.
Why you hating?
Wait, nigga, I ain't even get wild yet. I'm in your house party. Wild sex, clip pop me, and the shit hotter than Bilal's breath.
Well, listen up, dickhead. I'm a whole different caliber. I'm gonna hit your crib, shift your wig, and leave your brain on a calendar.
You is not that nice.
Why you hating, nigga?
You is not that nice.
Why you hating?
Niggas is talking about I don't got haymakers, but these next few lines gonna have a lot of niggas hating. A lot of niggas wanna touch the great, but you gonna see ARs, but you take this L for them tons of weight like Uncle Phil. I will explain for you fucking fake C-A-R. Take this L for them tons of weight, nigga, that's Carlton Day. That's how I start shit. You know I'm on that ball shit, that semi-flare. Bust anywhere, like a partridge. So, yeah, it's that old prez, I'm back. Green light for the dome shot, that's cold head. Palm flare like a lawn chair. You gon' scare who, nigga? It's like glasses on Bambi. I dare you, niggas. Been a lot of speculating and saying I changed up, but nigga, nada. It's like head on the chopper, I came up. See, you thought that you was gonna beat me? No, cause what good is a Jew? I'm Christmas Eve, I'm not for you. Once you in this scope, you get hit with toast because I'm known to black like different strokes. Nigga, you is not that nice.
Why you hating, nigga?
You is not that nice.
Why you hating?
Wait, nigga, I ain't even get wild yet. I'm in your house party. Wild sex, clip pop me, and the shit hotter than Bilal's breath.
Well, listen up, dickhead. I'm a whole different caliber. I'm gonna hit your crib, shift your wig, and leave your brain on a calendar. My nigga, you could dive, run, hot stay, throw you out that 5th floor window, apartment 5A. Why you hating, nigga? Cause my rhymes are potent? Cause I say shit like, I'll catch you coming out your home, pop you right on your lawn, now your grass is soaking. Why you hating, nigga? Fuck you, fuck your name, fuck your slogan. Why you hating, nigga? I'ma introduce you to Smith & Wesson's girlfriend that I call Barrett. Why you hating, nigga? Now let's talk about bitch ass niggas, cause you're one of them. You couldn't see me if you took Mercy's glasses, put them on your face with some binoculars in front of them. Why you hating, nigga? I won't feel satisfied to you and your team fall together. Why you hating? After I cave your bird chest in and free all the factors. Why you hating, nigga? I will blind you, I break vinyls and crack spinals. Why you hating? Life's not important like the president's health. I'll stab you with an icicle and watch the evidence melt. Why you hating, nigga? And don't try to be a hero, cause in the ghetto that's a sandwich. Get this in a different language. Fuck you, Marico Sucio, that's Spanish. Why you hating, nigga? Your group will get sniped. You ever got tossed off the same roof twice? Cold hard.